credit score is a number that is assigned to each individual based on your past credit history and what's in your credit file. For example, they look to see how old your credit file is or how long your trade lines have been established, how you pay your bills, what type of trade lines do you have, mortgages, automobiles, revolving credit, finance companies, and all of these factors determine your score. Scores go from 300 to 850. The higher the score, the more likely that the bank will get paid back the loan. In order to have a good credit score, obviously you have to pay your bills on time. That's the most important thing, is paying bills on time. Assuming that you do that and your score is low, a good chance that it's low is because your percentage of usage on your revolving credit cards is high. For example, if you have a $5,000 credit limit and you owe $4,900, your usage is almost 100%, which will bring your score down. So you want to have at least a 50% buffer, if you will. If you have a $5,000 credit limit, you should not be over $2,500 drawn on that credit card. If it's above 50%, typically that will have a negative impact on your score. If it's below 50%, it typically has a positive impact. Here are some tips to improve your credit score. Pay your bills on time. If you haven't been paying your bills on time, you need to get into habit to pay them, because the creditors report monthly how your pay history is. So if you're running behind, you're going to have to figure out how to get back on track to pay your bills on time. That's number one thing. If you have obviously collections or judgments or lawsuits or something like that out on your credit report, if they've been paid or they're older and they've been dismissed, go to the credit bureau and ask them to remove that from your credit report, because that's negative information on the score, dragging the score down.
For more information on Central Ohio's community bank since 1911, visit us online at heartlandbank.com. Heartland Bank, where banking feels good.